In a cramped Chicago apartment, Jake dreamed of greatness while drowning in delay. Every morning at 6, the alarm shrieked, and every morning he whispered, "I'll do it tomorrow." His gym shoes stayed pristine. His laptop remained cold. Weeks bled into months of empty promises and zero change. One evening, an old man approached him in the park. "What are you waiting for?" he asked. Jake smirked. "I'll start tomorrow." The man handed him a watch where every hour was labeled today. He whispered, "Tomorrow doesn't exist, Jake. It is just an excuse used to delay your life." The next morning, Jake didn't hit snooze. He simply chose to start. It was slow and hard, but it was real. Years later, he finally owned the life he once dreamed of, simply because he stopped waiting